Hey there, welcome back guys. In this video we're going to be going over the eye mask. That's right, I've had my DJI Avata 2 for quite some time now, and if you're like me, or I don't know what you're using for in here, I've been doing this, just putting that in there, and then putting the goggles like this. And it's different than the Integra goggles, I have to say, because on the Integra goggles, I just put them in and they just work. But because of the plastic on here is really delicate, it just gets banged up more, and it exfoliates more, and I just don't want to ruin it. And like I said, the Integra goggles can take more of a beating other than these. So I had gotten these things from, I believe it was Amazon or what's it called? AliExpress. I'll find out which one I got it from. I'll leave a link in the description because I actually got this 2 months ago. So I just figured, hey, let's just open it now. So knowing that, moving forward, let's see what's inside this packaging here, and hopefully it's a better experience than using this. Now, I don't recommend throwing this out. Save it. Always have a plan B, because if you lose this, you're like, wait, where's that thing? Well, it'll be probably somewhere over there, but I'm not getting rid of it. But I got these smaller ones, a little bit more convenient. Let's see how it goes. Let's have a look inside. Just wish I had some scissors. You may or may not need scissors. It might just open, but be careful, because the material that's in here could accidentally break, and we don't want to break it, right? It's better to just tear it open. But yeah, hopefully it creates a better experience for your packing and unpacking of your stuff. It's a little bit smaller, not much bigger, but oh wow, look at that. You get one. Looks like an eye mask for your, like you would have, or goggles or some sort. So check it out. It's kind of neat. Oh wow, it's really small. Really nice too. Feels strong. Feels really strong. It's made of a nice, really nice material. Oh wow, really. And look, and it covers up the sensor and also protects the goggles on the inside. So let's say, look, there's a groove part right here, and then this goes, this part covers the sensor. Because remember, you don't want to ruin these things. Because sometimes when it's really hot in the summer, before you get set up, you really have to, watch and make sure. Oh, look, it goes right in there in this little groove right here. I wonder if, yeah, see, it's like a little slot it goes in. And then this one goes in, I believe that slot. It's like a little, at least it looks like it does. Oh, it doesn't go in this slot. I guess it just goes on. You put it on and, hope it, yeah, I think it's pretty good. It doesn't lock in anything, but at least it's somewhat protects. It doesn't seat in, but it fits in. It doesn't lock in. It just sort of like places itself on there. And so that's pretty good, because now look, the sensor's protected, and you can keep it in your bag, or do whatever it is that you do when flying, and it actually fits in without the bulkiness of this thing right here. And remember, keep this. I like it, yeah, it's pretty cool. I'll leave a link to this in the description down below in case you guys like this one. I definitely like it. Just don't lose it. Sometimes when you have accessories for your drone, you tend to, like, oh no, you put it down on the grass or on the ground, and then you walk away and you're like, wait, where is it? In this particular case, I put everything in my bag before my flight, and sometimes I have a tripod, and I have a little hook underneath the tripod. But even today, when I was out flying, I had to go back. I was like, wait, did I forget something? So, I could see you could easily forget this, but just keep it in the bag. Every time, let's say I take it out, I'm getting ready to fly. Oh wow, so you have to really be careful. So as you notice how I was taking it out, you don't want to tear the plastic. So I guess you have to just do that and like that. So just be careful that way. You just can't pop it out. Yeah, so I had to go back. I was like, wait, I forgot something. I forgot nothing. Yeah, still good. I like it. Definitely the protection you might need for your goggles. Anyways, this was a short video. I hope it helped you in better protecting your investment for your DJI Avata 2. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.